Hi guys, I'm Mario from Apps Knowledge in less than 2 minutes, and today we're going to talk about how to set your Instagram account private. People So let's open Instagram. We click on our profile picture. Now at the top right, the three lines, settings and privacy, and here turn on or off private account. This will actually hide all your account information except your profile picture from the public. The only people who actually can see your information are the people you accept as followers. You can click the link at the top to see more Instagram tricks.